What if you could achieve what you wanted? What if there was a way to increase your income? Would you take it? What if there was a way to boost your business? Would you use it? What if there was a way to get more qualified leads? Would you want them? What if you didn't have to recruit anyone, but your customer base would grow anyway? Would you consider it? What if your target market was 5 billion potential customers? How many would you want? What if there was a way to teach your skills to others, and make money from it, easier and quicker? What would you teach? What if there was a way you could get paid every month for just sharing a revolutionary social media platform? Would you want it? What if there was a way you could convert potential leads into paying customers? How many would you want? I hear people all the time saying, how can I get this, or how can I do that? I can't, I've tried everything. How many of you can relate to this? Bearing in mind that 97% of entrepreneurs that try and build a business online fail. Well, now there's a company that can help you achieve all of these things. Designed specifically to help others achieve, not simply to put profits into the company coffers. One that is artificial intelligence driven, making it automated and simple. No, you don't have to understand how everything works. The artificial intelligence does all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is take advantage of the system. Don't tell me you don't want more money coming in each month, because 99.9% of the population do, especially as costs for even the basics are rising. Don't tell me you don't wish to boost your business and make it grow, because every business owner wants this. And don't tell me you don't need more sales, because everyone does. Don't tell me you get enough quality leads for your business, because I've never met anyone that doesn't want more. Don't tell me that you wouldn't want a social media platform, devoid of corruption, that won't sell your data. Somewhere where you can't have fake profiles, because you have to prove who you are. Or somewhere that wouldn't try to sell you something that doesn't exist, or con you out of your money. Because everyone I've ever spoken to complains about what we do have access to right now, but are stuck, as we don't have an alternative until now. The only reason these companies have such a high value is because they sell your data. This is another massive advantage to ONPASSIVE, as they will never sell your data. So don't tell me you don't want more paying customers, because if I offered them on a plate, you would jump at the chance. Well, that is exactly what is on offer with ONPASSIVE. Everyone can win. It's an opportunity that will build your own business, hands-free, on autopilot. Or to help grow your existing business, using the suite of specifically designed AI-driven tools. It's been designed specifically so that anyone, and I mean anyone, can make money if they choose to. Why not check out the website for yourself, www.onpassive.com, and you'll see. This takes artificial intelligence to the next level. Why not be part of it? Everything you would ever need for your business is all under one roof, with one single sign-on. What's holding you back from building your own business or boosting your existing one? You all know the phrase, you can lead a horse to water but you can't make it drink. If you want to understand how this has been pieced together, and how you can take advantage, then get back to the person that sent this to you. Please like, share and subscribe. An Andy Burks production.